Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. Welcome to my channel Hooked in Loop. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos then please click the bell icon. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful and classy crochet sunglass case. I hope you will like this tutorial. You can also make this in the shape of your phone so that you can use it as a phone cozy. I saw this design in Facebook, so I am recreating this. I have used DMC thread and the hook size is 1.75 millimeter. Take the yarn and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. And then we are going to do 18 chains. The number of chains should be like this, that is, at first you will do chain 1, then you will do multiple of 3s, and then at the end you will do 2 chains extra. Okay, so this makes chain 1 plus 15 chains plus 2 more chains. So in total there are 18 chains. After that, in the second chain from the hook, we will do 2 single crochets. Okay, and then in the following 15 chains, we are going to do 1 single crochet each. In the last chain, we are going to do 3 single crochets. Okay. We are now going to work on the other side of the chains. In the following 16 chains, we will be doing 1 single crochet each. Okay. We have reached the end chain, and after the 1 single crochet we will complete this round simply with a slip stitch in the first single crochet of this round. Okay, so this end chain also contains 3 single crochets. I hope you understood this, and so our first round also ended. We will now begin the round 2. So do chain 3. This chain 3 is also the first double crochet of this round. Then in the next stitch we will do a double crochet. Okay, and in this manner we will do 1 double crochet in each of the following stitches, like this. Okay, so do 1 double crochet each in this round in each of the stitches till you reach the end. So in total we are going to have 36 double crochets. We have reached the end of this round. We are doing the last double crochet, and then we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. The number of chains I made in the beginning depended on the size of my sunglass. It should cover it up well. Okay, if you want to make a phone case, then just follow what I said earlier regarding the number of chains. It should just cover up your phone. Okay, so let's continue to the next round. We will do chain 3. This is going to be the first double crochet of this round. Then in the following 4 stitches we are going to do 1 double crochet each. So let's do 1 double crochet in each of the following 3 stitches first. Then in the 4th stitch I will show you how to do the double crochet. Okay, we will just add a stitch marker in the previous double crochet. Okay, that is double crochet just after the chain 3. Then in the following stitch we are doing a double crochet. Then in the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, pull the yarn through it and pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. Okay, leave it as it is. We will take the white colored yarn now. We will make a slip knot. Then we will take our work again and slip stitch the white colored yarn, that loop, through the 2 loops as I am showing you, and then secure it with a chain 1. Okay, done. And then in the following stitch we will do a popcorn stitch, that is yarn over, and we will do 5 double crochets in that particular stitch first. Pull the loop and take out the hook. Then insert your hook in the first double crochet stitch and pull that loop through that stitch as I am showing you, and secure the popcorn stitch with a chain 1. So the popcorn stitch is done. Then from the back we will take the blue colored yarn and slip stitch that into that loop. Pull the white colored yarn to tighten that loop and we will yarn over, and in the next 2 stitches we are going to do double crochets, and in the 3rd stitch we will do a double crochet and slip stitch the white colored yarn, and I will, as I am showing you, yarn over, insert your hook in that stitch, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. Okay, now from the back we will take the white colored yarn and slip stitch that through the 2 loops. We will do a chain 1, and then in the next stitch we will do a popcorn stitch as I had already shown you. That is, we will yarn over and we will do 5 double crochets in that stitch. We will pull the loop and take out the hook, and we will insert a hook in the first double crochet stitch of that group and pull that loop through that stitch, and then we will secure it with a chain 1. From the back we will slip stitch the blue colored yarn. In the next 2 stitches we will do a double crochet each, and we will do an incomplete double crochet in the 3rd stitch, so that from the back we can slip stitch the white colored yarn through the 2 loops and do a chain 1 to secure that slip stitch. And in the following stitch we will do a popcorn stitch. Insert your hook into the first double crochet stitch, pull the loop through that stitch and do a chain 1. After that we will simply cut the yarn. Insert your hook into the popcorn stitch, slip stitch the blue colored yarn, do a chain 1 to secure it, and then in the following 8 stitches we will do 1 double crochet each, and in the 9th stitch we will do 1 incomplete double crochet to slip stitch the white colored yarn as I will show you. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull the yarn through it and pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. We will take the white colored yarn and make a slip knot. We will slip stitch the white colored loop through the 2 loops of that incomplete double crochet and secure it with a chain 1. Then in the next stitch we will do a popcorn stitch. Okay. We will secure the popcorn stitch with a chain 1, and from the back we will take the blue colored yarn and slip stitch that through that white colored loop. Okay, like this. And then we will do 1 double crochet in the following 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch we will do an incomplete double crochet. Okay. Now from the back we will take the white colored yarn and we will slip stitch that through the 2 loops of that incomplete double crochet, secure it with a chain 1, and in the following stitch again we will do a popcorn stitch. The steps are same as we had already done earlier, so let's complete 2 popcorn stitches and 3 double crochets after that. Okay, and then we are left with 1 double crochet in this round. We will do that, and after that we will simply do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain of the starting chain 3 of that round. Okay, and this round is also complete. We will do a chain 3. This is the first double crochet of this round. Then in each of the following stitches we are going to do 1 double crochet each. Okay, so in total there will be 36 double crochets in this round, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet 2. Double crochet in the popcorn stitch in that hole, okay, and then again in the next 3 double crochet stitches, and after that again in the popcorn stitch, okay, like this. We will continue like this throughout this round, that is 1 double crochet in each of the double crochet stitches of the previous round and also in the popcorn stitches, okay. We will do the last double crochet of this round and then complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. You are observing a color change. I had just attached a different colored yarn for this color change, okay. We will do a chain 3. This is the first double crochet of this round. Then in the following 5 stitches we are going to do 1 double crochet each, okay. The fifth stitch is the stitch just above the popcorn stitch of the third round, okay. Then in the following stitch we will do an incomplete double crochet so that we can slip stitch the white colored loop, okay, through the 2 loops of that double crochet, and then we will secure it with a chain 1 and do a popcorn stitch. In this round, in this particular phase we are doing 2 popcorn stitches, and in the other phase also we will do 2 popcorn stitches. So in total there will be 4 popcorn stitches in this round, and the popcorn stitches are present in between 2 popcorn stitches of the third round, okay. So a symmetry should be maintained. The first popcorn stitch done, and we will secure it with a chain 1, and then from the back we will slip stitch the blue colored yarn, and in the next 2 stitches we will do 1 double crochet each, okay, like this. And in the third stitch we are going to do an incomplete double crochet so that we can slip stitch the white colored yarn from back like this and secure it with a chain 1, and then we will do a popcorn stitch in the following stitch, okay. We will do a chain 1, okay, to secure the popcorn stitch, and then we will just cut it. We will slip stitch the blue colored yarn through that popcorn stitch like this and do a chain 1 to secure it. In the following 12 stitches do 1 double crochet each, in the 13th stitch we are going to do one incomplete double crochet. Okay, that is, insert your hook in the stitch, pull the yarn through it, and then pull the yarn through the first two loops. Then we will slip stitch the white colored slip knot through those two loops and secure it with a chain 1. Then in the following stitch we will do a popcorn stitch. Okay, secure it with a chain 1, then slip stitch the blue colored yarn from the back, and then in the next two stitches do one double crochet each. And then in the third stitch we will do an incomplete double crochet and slip stitch the white colored yarn from back, do a chain 1 to secure it, and then do the popcorn stitch. This is the last popcorn stitch of this round. Simply do a chain 1 and cut the yarn. We will insert our hook into the popcorn stitch and slip stitch the blue colored yarn followed by chain 1 and do one double crochet each in the remaining stitches. We will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3. Okay, and this round is also ended. We will do a chain 3. This is the first double crochet of this round. Then in the next stitches we will do one double crochet each. That is one double crochet in each of the stitches and as well as the popcorn stitches. Okay, so in total this round will also contain 36 stitches. Okay, so this is the pattern. You will follow this pattern throughout this sunglass case or phone case cozy, whatever you are making. Okay, just make sure there will be alternating rows of 36 double crochets and double crochets with popcorn stitches respectively. We will complete this round, okay, and with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, do a chain 3 for the next round. So we completed total 6 rounds. Okay, we will turn our work upside down. This is how it will look from the front. Very beautiful. In the third round we had 6 popcorn stitches, 3 in each face, and in the fifth round we had 4 popcorn stitches, 2 in each face. Okay, you will follow this pattern in alternating manner. Okay, that is, in the seventh round we will have a total of 6 popcorn stitches. Just repeat what you did in the third round, and in the ninth round we will have a total of 4 popcorn stitches. Just repeat what you did in the fifth round. Okay, we will complete our work soon. We will turn our work upside down and continue with our stitches and start doing the seventh round. We completed the seventh and the eighth round, just exactly the same as the third and the fourth round. Okay, just repeat what you did in the third and the fourth round respectively, and complete the ninth and the 10th round by repeating the fifth and the sixth round respectively. So our ninth and the 10th round is also complete. Okay, and it's looking absolutely beautiful, especially with the ombre effect. We are done halfway for the phone cozy or the goggle case, whatever we are making. Okay, for the we will complete our work following the same pattern. We are about to do the last few double crochets of this entire project. Okay, and at the end we will complete our work with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 1, and we will cut the yarn. Okay, so it's done. If you want, you can leave it as it is because our work is done. our entire goggle case or the phone cozy is ready. We are just now left with a border to be done. If you want, you can add the border. It is looking beautiful as it is, but I wanted to add a white color border of single crochet. So I will do that. Your entire goggle case should cover up your goggles. Okay, it's looking absolutely pretty. So now let's add a border now. Take the white colored yarn, make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. Then we will slip stitch in any of the stitches. Okay, and then we will secure the slip stitch with a chain one. In the same stitch we will do a single crochet, and in the all other stitches we are going to do one single crochet each. So in total there will be 36 single crochet in this round. At the end, we will complete this round simply with a slip stitch in the first single crochet of this round and do a chain one, and we will cut the yarn. This step is not compulsory. Okay, it will just enhance the beauty of the goggle case, and it's completely ready. Just weave in the loose ends and our sunglass case is ready. It's very beautiful, very sleek, very classy, especially with the white colored popcorns popping up in this ombre effect environment. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. Feel free to give any suggestion. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.